we are going to read Dinka language. The title of today is Denkaro. Denkaro. Let us start reading. Water rienti chol riankin deng majok kudeng mawin akamat apaidit. Kuaka ran kawen wulene. Ran tok chol deng mawin ilang tweng yol. Naon akaltok kadak ake unom jol tor bedang tok bang abediaw apaidit. Godeng majok ben ke deng mawin kudom ka dak wentar kujol deng mawin dong wen chebang jal nyeny kuleg yen la rioj dun ye yin diaw rien dun na yek yin pion dien yemena kadong kene achi yin benok niak. Go deng majok leg deng mawin la wen bi yin piandu yeg yen na twany yol ba yeg yen aya. Let me repeat it. Go deng majok leg deng mawin ila wen bi yin piandu yeg yen na twany yol ba yeg yen aya is a question mark. Na twany yol ba yeg yen aya na nyar ba po gam ke ol ke duk yelweli la yin aril po. Let me repeat it again very quick and then we go for a translation direct. Okay. Wat rienti chol rianken deng majok ku deng mawin akamat apaidit ku aka yeran ke wen wulene ran tok chol deng mawin ilang twanyol. Nawan akaltok kadak ake unom jol tor bedang tok bang abediaw apaidit. Go deng majok ben ke deng mawin kudom kadak wentar go kujol deng mawin dong wen chibang jal nyeny kuleg yen la rioj dun ye yin diaw rien dun na yeg yin pion dien yemene kadong kene achi yin benok niak. Go deng majok leg deng mawin ila wen bi yin piandu yeg yen na twany yol ba yeg yen aya na nyar ba po gam kaol ke duk yelweli la yin aril po. So let us start translating this one. Denkaro. Denkaro mean two deng. Deng is the name of a Dinka male person. Karo mean two. So there are two deng. Let read wate rienti chor rianke deng majok ku deng mawen aka mad apaidit. It said that long time ago there were two gentlemen called Deng Yuen and Deng Majoks who were very friends. They were very friends. Ku aka yeran ke wen wulen, and also they were cousins. So they are related. They were cousins. When wulen ran ke wen wulen mean cousin. Ran tok chol deng mawin elang twany wall. One person called deng mawin elang twany wall have a disease called coughing. One person called deng mawin was having a disease called coughing. Now on a kaltok kadak ake unom jol tor bedang tok bang abediaw apaidit. So one day the neighboring boy start fighting, and one of the boy was bitten to cry a lot. One of the boy was bitten to cry a lot. Bang abediaw apaidit was bitten and the boy start crying a lot. Go deng majok ben ke deng mayuen kudamka dak wantar. So this guy called Deng Majok and Deng Mawen came and separate the boy. They separate the boy to stop fighting. ku jol deng mayuen dong wen ci bang jal nyen ku lek ye ni la. And then deng mayuen went ahead and start blaming the boy who was beaten. He tell the boy ku lek ye ni la. He tell the boy rioj dun ye yin diaw rien dun na yek yin piondien yemen ka don kana achi yin pe ban nok nyak. He tell deng mayuen tell the boy he blame the boy and tell the boy, you are very afraid of your age mate. You cry because of your age mate beat you. If I give you my heart now, this boy who beat you will never beat you tomorrow. If I give you my heart, this boy who beat you today, he will never beat you tomorrow. Go deng ma jok like deng ma yuen la. And then this guy called deng ma jok tell deng ma yuen. He said to deng ma yuen, when be yin fiandu yegien na twany all ba yegien ya. This guy called deng ma jok. He tell deng ma yuen, okay, if you are going to give that boy your heart, what of sickness of coughing? Are you going to give the sickness of coughing with your heart together to that boy? That is the question this guy called Deng Majok asked this guy called Deng Mayuen. When be yin piandu yegye not when all by yegye ya, are you going to give the uh, sickness of coughing to him also? Na niar ba pogam ka all ke duk yelwel ila yin aril po. If you like to give your heart with that sickness of coughing, then don't say that your heart is very strong. Don't say that your heart is strong because you are having a weakness, which is sickness called coughing, prannual. And that is the end, guys. So that is a short translation. And thank you very much. Dornelly Kawe, Kuyania, and William Majak. Please like the video, share, and also follow the page. Watch the full video in our YouTube channel, and that is the end. More are coming. Please stay tuned. Educate Tongjang William Majak Malay. Bye bye.